Okay guys, so this is the incubator. Okay, it can hold up to about 12 to 24 different type of eggs depending on which are the eggs you want to incubate. So in this case, it can hold up to 12 goose eggs. Okay, so the incubator basically is powered by 12 volt, okay, DC. So the adapter comes here. Alternatively, you can also power up using 240 volts, and then it comes with a free torchlight, okay, to check your egg fertility, the user manual, some bottles, okay, and the insulation box itself. These are the rollers which we are going to install at the bottom of this plastic compartment. This is mainly for rotating the eggs from time to time without getting your hands involved by turning the egg or rotating the eggs. So we are going to fix this now. Okay, so we have already installed it. It's rather an easy installation. Okay, so basically just show you a very quick update. These rollers are just placed on top, okay, such that the gears are facing that way. Okay, then you put in your eggs, okay, and before you put in your eggs, you have to put a mesh, put in the rollers, put in the eggs, and you fill up about 50 ml of water, and then you close this guy. So basically the temperature should be 38, so it is now low because we have opened the cover. So that's why we have a alarm buzzer. Okay, so power it up, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the basic routine when egg is to be incubated. So from our chart here, egg was laid on the 15th of April 2021. So we kept the egg outdoor, not in the incubator, for about 5 days. So after 5 days, it is supposed to be incubated. Before putting in the egg, we need to take its initial weight, and we got to do a candlelight test on the egg to determine the fertility of the egg before incubating it in the incubator. So before putting in the egg, at the same time, we will also do a check on all the eggs in the incubator. We will now start with the first egg labeled 19/3. So this is the egg taken out from the incubator, 19/3. So we are going to take the weight using a weighing indicator of 2 decimal point. So it is 89.40 gram. So it's already been recorded here. So you can see the weight slightly decreased from the initial weight due to the moisture absorption during the egg development. So now we are going to do a candlelight test. So we're going to off the light. We're going to on a special light built in the incubator, and we are going to put the egg on the incubator, and we can see part of the egg is red. So part of the egg is black in color. That is the development of the embryo. Okay, so that is the development of the embryo. If you compare the egg with an egg which is just laid by the goose, okay, so the most recent egg is obtained on the 19/4. So this is how the egg will look like. It is totally in yellow in color. Okay, so there is no sign of any embryo development. So in a way, this is the best time for you to consume the egg for eating purpose, right? But if the egg has already been, there is already sign of the development of embryo, it is not recommended to eat if the fertility or if the egg fails to give birth to a new baby goose, right? So in this case, everything is okay, got reading. So we put back the egg back in the incubator. So this is 19.3. So it goes back to the same position. So now we are going to repeat the step for the next egg, which is 26-3. So this is the egg. So we are going to weigh the egg. So the egg is
104.17 grams.
We're going to candlelight it. So you can see the development of the embryo is not that significant compared to the previous egg. There's more yellow in color, okay, but you can see there is a slight red patch here. So this is the development of the embryo, okay. So the phase is a bit slow for this egg. So we put it back now inside the chamber, the incubator. Okay, so the eggs inside has been now 2 weeks or so, and we have candlelight the eggs. There is no development of any embryo. So we would like to know whether or not can we proceed incubating it or not. So in order to know this, we do a water float test. We take out the eggs individually, we put them in a warm water of not more than 38 degrees Celsius. If the egg floats, it is no good to go back in the incubator. If it sinks, there is still chances, so we put back the egg in the incubator. So we are going to do such a test now, so let's do it. So we have off the incubator. Make sure your hands are sterile. Okay, this is the first egg. Slowly put it in. So it completely sink. Okay, so the possibility of further incubating it is there. So we are going to take it out and we are going to wipe it dry and incubate it. Now this egg was laid on the 23rd, so it has been cleaned, and we are waiting for 4 to 5 days, because it is noted that you should not incubate it on the spot. No means the chicks will be prematured. So we are waiting 4 to 5 days. After that, we are going to incubate it. second goose which came out from the egg on the 22nd of May 2021. And so we're going to put it in another place for it to be stabilized. So it's time to let go the chicks, and you will see the reaction when they mix with the adult goose and also with their father. Okay, so you will see now how they will come.